Have you ever asked yourself what is your goal in managing your personal finances? Of course, everyone has their own goals in financial management. Benefits and goals of managing personal finance. If the goals depend on the financial holder, there are of course general benefits of managing finances. This is what motivates people to manage their finances. The benefits obtained by each person are certainly different according to their needs, but basically they are summarized in the following 7 benefits. Number 1. Practicing a thrifty lifestyle. Many people misunderstand the concept of frugal living. There are those who are frugal to live mediocre and sacrifice their happiness. In fact, living frugally is not the same as living in poverty. A frugal life is an affluent life, where all needs are met. But living frugally means that you have to be able to distinguish between what is a need and what is a want. These are the basic benefits that you will definitely get if you manage your finances well. Manage your finances every month, by prioritizing obligations, needs and eliminating desires that can cause problems in your finances. Number 2. Practice regular living. The second benefit that you can get besides living a more frugal life is that your life will be more organized. For example, everything you would want, including your own and your family's needs, is always planned in detail. You will plan finances not only for basic needs, but for other aspects of life such as going on vacation, buying assets, and much more. Thus, life is no longer surprised by many unexpected needs that lead to piles of debt. Number 3. Minimize stress. Do you know? Stress is one of the most dangerous causes of disease. All diseases can get worse if accompanied by stress. The good news is that you have complete control over how to minimize that stress. One of them is financial stress that can be overcome with financial management. Therefore, start managing your finances well now. Avoid things that can trigger stress, such as large debts, outstanding loans due to higher interest rates and other financial problems. Number 4. Have better future planning. Another benefit of financial management, of course, is that you can plan for the future better. If you can save money and live a lighter life without debt problems, you can be sure that your future is also much better. In essence, financial management also helps you plan for future needs and start acting immediately. The result is that your future is more secure. For example, a pension fund. Retirement funds are not something that can be planned in just a few months. It takes a long process to plan a retirement fund for a prosperous retirement. Therefore, immediately manage your finances, so that your future will be better and more prosperous. Number 5. Can cope with unexpected needs. In financial management you will also learn about emergency funds. An emergency fund is a number of funds that need to be prepared to deal with an emergency, and is a mandatory component in a solid financial plan. These funds are what you will use when there is a need or an emergency that requires more money. You never know what might happen to us in the future. Do not let you sacrifice your family or go into debt because you are unable to prepare this emergency fund. Number 6. Avoiding debt. In general, the definition of debt is the process of lending money from one party to another in return for which is usually interest. As you know, over time, the price of necessities of life is getting higher and the increase is not balanced with the increase in wages. Therefore, the demand for debt or credit is getting higher.